Today we're gonna learn how we can create AI art with DALL-E. With DALL-E is like an AI generation like tool that you could use. So today we're gonna learn about how to build strong prompts for art, and then we're also learning how to use DALL-E for visual storytelling, and we can also learn how to edit and refine like AI art. And finally, we're going to learn artistic applications and inspiration. So first, building strong prompts for AI. So in DALL-E, the prompts is a blueprint for your artwork. It defines the subject, style, and mood of the image. A detailed prompt helps the AI better match your vision. Think of it as giving instruction to a digital artist. Prompts equals artistic instructions. So basically, you give them something, and they're gonna use what you gave them to make something. And then you could control the subject, style, and tone using prompts. And the more details you have, it'll improve like how well the AI will use it. And it'll also help the AI like be more creative the more details you have. Now, you can tell DALL-E to mimic specific art styles or mediums. This includes painting types, photography styles, or digital illustrations. The medium you choose shapes the texture and feel of the final piece. Using style terms creates a more intentional artistic result. Include style, watercolor, oil, pixel art. Mention camera settings for photo looks and set moods and atmosphere adds depth and personality. And then DALL-E shines when blending unrelated ideas into one image. You can merge subjects, settings, and styles into creative ways. This leads to unique, imaginative pieces you couldn't make otherwise. The stranger the combination, the more original the art. Now, you could merge multiple subjects together. You could experiment with odd pairings. You could mix styles for originality. And you could also push creative boundaries to build new concepts. Now, the second thing we're going to talk about is using DALL-E for visual storytelling. So, this is creating a scene. Instead of a single object, describe a whole scene. Include background elements, lighting, and perspective. This makes the art more immersive and dynamic. The more you set the stage, the stronger the storytelling. You could describe environment and setting, so like the place of what you want your picture to be. You can add background details to like enhance the like image. You can control perspective, close up or wide shot. So like if you want it to be a further picture, you could tell the AI that. And you could use light and shadow for drama. Now, next is designing characters. DALL-E can create distinctive characters for stories or concepts. Specify traits like clothing, facial expressions, and colors. You can also give them a role or personality in your prompt. This makes them feel more alive and memorable. You could define physical features of your characters. You can also add clothing and props to your characters too. You can make your character show emotion or personality, and you could also make your characters like protagonists of your story. Another is scenes and consistency. You can create multiple related images for a project. Keeping consistent prompts helps maintain style and characters. This is useful for comics, illustrated books, or branding. It turns AI art into a coherent visual series. You could use repeated style terms. You could keep characters' descriptions the same. You could match color schemes, and you could also build a consistent set of images to keep the consistency of your pictures. Now, three is editing and refining AI art. So first is in painting for adjustments. In painting allows you to fix or change parts of an image. You could replace objects, add new ones, or refine details. It's great for correcting mistakes or personalizing results. This turns a good image into a perfect one. You could edit only selected areas, add or remove objects, improve details, or customize the final output. Another is outpainting for expansion. Outpainting extends your image beyond its original frame. It's useful for creating large detailed backgrounds. The AI blends new parts with the existing art seamlessly. This helps you tell bigger visual stories. You can using this, you could expand scene size, create panoramic art, match styles perfectly, and add more storytelling space. You can mixing AI art with other media. DALL-E creations can be combined with traditional or digital art. Artists often layer AI output into Photoshop for final touches. This lets you add a personal signature to the work. It bridges AI generation with human artistry. So you could merge AI and manual editing. You could add hand-drawn elements, and you could also use for concept drafts. You can also create hybrid art styles with other media. Four is artistic application and inspiration. So concept art and design. DALL-E is perfect for quick concept sketches. It's used in game design, product visualization, and movie pre-production. You can explore many ideas before settling on one. It speeds up the creative brainstorming process. You can use it to game and movie concept art for, you can also use it for product design ideas and rapid iteration. And you can also use it for visual brainstorming. You could also use DALL-E for marketing and branding. Businesses use DALL-E to make unique marketing visuals. It can create ad graphics, social media posts, or brand mascots. Custom prompts ensure the art matches the brand's style. This makes marketing context stand out. They use it for to create ads and promo images. They also use it to generate brand mascots, match company aesthetics, and also save time on designs. Another, you could also use DALL-E for personal creative projects. Hobbyists use DALL-E for personal art, gifts, and decor. It's a fun way to see your wildest ideas come to life. You can make prints, posters, or even book covers. AI art turns imagination into something tangible. You could use DALL-E for personal artwork, posters and prints, custom gifts, and you can also use it to bring ideas to life.